So another challenge from Robot ICT community, and in this video, this will be interesting challenge. So the task is navigate to this link and extract all information about each of the forum threads. So like name, number of replies, number of views, and also last activity. And then convert last activity to year minus month minus date, and then save in CSV and Excel file. Okay, here's my solution. I will show you. And here is the target page. So the bot needs to extract this value, this, and this. Okay, one thing, not all of the elements are loaded at the start when we navigate to this page. So as you can see, the bot is loading, and then there appears this text. So let me show you. Okay, my previously created project. I will describe in short how it works, and then I will create a much faster solution using HTTP request, because I thought it will be much interesting. And as always, check for the code on my Git. Links in the description to this video. Okay, let's start. First of all, I've created a simple data table with name, number of replies, views, and last activity. And then very simple and a little bit standard approach. So the bot navigates the link, then check for the element. Oh, forgot what element it look for. And oh, okay, there are no more latest topics. So it looks search for this element, and while this element not exist, the bot clicks into the footer part of the page, so somewhere here, and it emulates scroll using just a second. Yeah, this sent Windows messages, unfortunately. So after all elements loaded, bot extracts table. By the way, this is all one big table, and filters it by TRs. Next, in big for each, the bot extracts using the same fan children's topic by column name from element and add it to the list. Then replies. Let me show. Here is replies, amount of replies, also adding it to the list, and then number of views. Let me show the filter. Span, views, and last but not least, last date. Activity, last activity. And once again, add it to the list. So after it extracted all information from first or any element and add it to the activity to the list, it will look like, let me show you, notepad. It will look like something like name, for example. Sorry, it will be name, posts, views, and date. So the bot will simply add this collection to the data table. But one important thing, because we need to convert the data, the date to the specific format. So as you can see, it's all okay. I'm adding the list, but activity, yeah, but just a second. Oh, here it is. So let me show you. Because bot extracts this value to be sure that something like let me show you, like 2 days ago. Okay, we can think that in my region 2 days ago it was day A, but in your region it's date B. So I thought it would be cool to pick the epoch time, Unix time, and then convert it to needed value. So simple datetime offset from Unix time milliseconds, and then convert it. As an argument, I'm passing the value from datetime property. So it's this epoch value, long int, and then I'm converting it to year, month, day. So then I adding to data table and clearing the list, and that's all. So let me show you how it works. Just a second, I will close this one. Let's run it. Bot opens, clicks, and I think that's all. It extracts the data. So 20 seconds. Once again, I'm showing you this example on my VM. So now let's create a much more faster solution using only HTTP requests, and it will work a lot faster. So first of all, we need to navigate here and try to understand how it looks like when we're scrolling. So let's scroll. Okay, we've got something like no definitions, through pages. So some sort of we've got some sort of pagination. So let's try to use it. Okay, first of all, let's check what's here, and I think there is nothing interesting. Now let's do some experiment. Let's get this part of the request and place it right here, page 1. Hey, we don't need this. Sorry, page 1. We've got something. Now page 2. Here we are. So the bot could easily navigate through all those hidden pages using simple page counter. So let's start. Okay, first let's create forum 36 HTTP request. As always in such projects, first of all, let's install web activities pack. And now we will I won't even create sorry, a part of the activities sorry, activities, I will reuse them from the previous part of the project or XAML file. I just copy pasted the data table. Create this variable. Next, now we need to initialize our int page counter. Int 0. Next, we will use, I think, simple do while will fit our needs. So, do HTTP request while any results. Let it be extract data. So now we will use simple HTTP request. Okay, and we will extract page sources. Yes, page source. The result will be, as always, track result, and endpoint will be ring. Oh, sorry. Oh, ring format. I will copy this, and page number will be simple int. Now, what's wrong? Hey. Oh, sorry. Rec results. Yeah, created. Now let's see how it looks like. Let's view source. Oh, we don't need this. And let's start from this. It's easy to find. I think it will be enough. Okay. So we need to extract this. Then we will need to get this number, and this date. So last activity is 28th of April. So let's check. Posted, first post posted. What activity? Let's check. April 28th. So it will be enough for us. Okay, page 2. Sorry. Yeah. So let's copy this, and oh, I think I will copy only part of this code, source code of the page, and starting from this and ending here. And I will use simple matches. Okay, let's go. Matches names. Let's paste the text here and get the information. Name content. Okay, let's use route topic link. Okay, and it will be look back, look behind. Then we'll extract all the symbols, and then we will simply use link A. Oh, sorry. Yes, we've got the needed data. So now let's save it to the as much as name. Input rec result. Sorry, forgot to. I've used wrong variable. So rec result. Now let's create this matches names. Next, we need to extract replies. Let's create matches. Oh, sorry, replies. Let's update the regex. Now replies will look like, I think, posts. Yeah, something like this. Okay, yeah. Oh, so it's posts and span. So replacing this with posts and here span. Let's check. Yep, we've got our numbers. Next one, we need to extract use. So is matches use. And here I think it's it will be almost the same. Oh, I think it's not this one. To get views, it will be views. It's obvious. Okay. And the last one will be activity states. So here will be matches states. Now let's check how it look like. It will be this. So letters, space, numbers, comma, space for numbers. Let's try to create it. And so let's copy this part and create very simple. So okay, words from one to many, space, digits, any, one comma, space, digits, 4. Yeah, so we've got our date. Cool. And that's all for the matches. Now we need to decide if there is any information. We will fill the table or add that row. So if any matches, then add data. Okay, so it will be, let it be matches names count equals 0. So not so more than 0. Then we need to add our data and fill the data table, convert data. So for this, I will use so temporary variables. Let me remove this one. I will create 4 arrays just to make this project much easier to read and understand. Because you see in a few seconds why. Our names are posts are dates and are views. So all of this are is a simple array of strings. Once again. So when there is any data, we need to first convert all of those matches to the arrays. So our names will be from I in is matches names. Select function f value. Oh, sorry. To string. Oh, let's stream it. And then to array. Okay, and that's 1, 2, 3. Our posts, our views, our dates. Now let's copy paste it here. So you could easily trace the process. The names, it will be is matches. Sorry, it posts, I think. Posts, replies. Okay, next it will be views. Is matches views, and with the date, need to make some changes. Is matches dates, but for to add the correct date, we will use date parse. So let me cut this value. It will be date time parse exact first argument our value. Next we will describe the pattern or format month, day, and year. Next global realization culture info invariant culture, and then after we convert it once again to string, and let's use format from the task month and day. Oh, sorry, forgot double quotes. Yeah, that's all. Next. For this project, I will once again use temporary data table, which I will call DT buffer. So just to store the results before we will add it to the output data table. Okay, so DT buffer equal DT output dot clone, and in the next step I will fill the buffer on this buffer data table, and this will be just a second. So from I will fill it using my arrays from I in enumerable variable range from 0 to our names, our posts, I think, our, sorry, shows me posts, views, and our dates. Oh, once again, dot max, then function it will be x length to list. Next, let a equal enumerable numerable range once again from 0 to this array of arrays. Okay, let's pick length. This to array. Next, let row array. It will be a select function. Oh, sorry, function x. Once again, my arrays. Oh, sorry. This is. I will show you. So, mistype arrays. Next, x element add for default our I from I in enumerable range. Let's close it to array. And now I will select pt buffer rows add row array, and then copy to data table. Let me recheck once again. So as you can see, it says that rows is not a member of a string. Don't forget to recheck all your variables. So as you can see, all looks good. Next, and next step, we will merge the data tables. Destination will be dt output, source dt buffer. Next, I don't know, just simple log. It will be string format, current page, and int string counter, just to know the latest page. And then let's increase the value. Oh, so why I can do this even here. So it will be int and then int +1. So okay, that's all. Next, as an exit condition, we will use this, and sorry, need to change the scope. So the exit condition will be same as the if condition. Okay, names, extract data, upper level. Now that's all. OK, and simple right range. Workbook. Form statistics using request xlsx and dt output. Oh, sorry, dt output. Now let's run this file. As you remember, I think it was 21 seconds using UI. Let's try without it. So bot started and bot ended. 3 seconds. Pages 0, 1, 2. And here is the result. Okay. Oh, forgot to add headers, but I think it's we can easily compare it. So this, I think I'm only forgot about formatting in my first part of the project, but as you can see, the results is the same. What is good. So thanks for watching. Once again, links for the source code I will update with comments and annotations in the description, and also link to the RPA challenge also in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.